Hi, I'm Melissa. Today's video lesson is about using the second conditional. We use the second conditional a lot, so let's find out more. Do you like to save money or do you like to spend it? What would you do if you saved a lot of money? I know what I'd do. If I saved a lot of money, I'd buy a fast car. Look carefully at the sentence and let's answer the questions together. Am I talking about the past, present or the future? Present or future? Is this situation real or imagined? Imagined. How likely is the if clause? Unlikely. How certain is the result clause? 100%. So do you know what is the second conditional and when we use it? The second conditional is used when we talk about something in the present or future and it is unlikely to happen. We use it to give opinions or advice on imagined or unreal situations. Let's move on. What is the form of the second conditional? Let's take a look at the example from before. If I saved a lot of money, I'd buy a fast car. The second conditional has two parts or clauses. There is an if clause and a result clause. In this example, the if clause is about saving money and the result clause is that I'd buy a fast car. The if clause is in the past simple form and the result clause consists of would plus the base form. This is how the second conditional is formed. Let's look at an example. My friend Sarah is excellent at tennis. She always wins. I know I need to practice more. If I practiced more, I'd win a match. What about the negative form? How do we form it? To use the negative form for the if clause, you use didn't before the past simple. In the result clause, you use wouldn't before the base form. Let's look at some examples. If Keith didn't leave home so late, he wouldn't arrive so late. Let's move on. What about the question form with the second conditional? Do you know how to form it? To make a yes-no question, you add would before the subject plus the base form, followed by the if clause. Let's look at an example. Would you buy a fast car if you saved a lot of money? For WH questions, you add the WH question before would, followed by the subject plus the present simple verb. Let's look at an example. What would you buy if you saved a lot of money? Let's do some quick practice. Notice the stress. If I saved a lot of money, I'd buy a fast car. Let's repeat the sentence together. Remember to put the stress on saved, money, buy and car. If I saved a lot of money, I'd buy a fast car. Great job, well done. Now you know how to use the second conditional. Today we learned what is the second conditional and when we use it, using affirmative and negative forms with the second conditional, making questions with the second conditional. Thanks for watching. See you later.